If you want to import users from your Active Directory to ONLYOFFICE DocSpace, open the Settings and switch to the Integration section. Turn on the LDAP authentication switcher and go to the LDAP Settings section. Choose the connection type. For a regular unencrypted LDAP connection, the default port 389 is used. Select the Start TLS radio button to secure the connection using the Start TLS technology. The default port 389 is also used. Select the SSL option to use a secure connection over SSL. The port number will change to 636 automatically. In the Server field, specify your Active Directory server IP address or DNS name. The LDAP protocol is used for a regular LDAP connection. The LDAPS protocol is used for a connection over SSL. In the User DN field, specify the distinguished name of the directory you want to import users from. Set the login attribute value. Change the user filter value. The default filter value allows importing all users. The attribute mapping section allows you to set up a correspondence between the user data fields in DocSpace and the attributes in the Active Directory user record. Obligatory values are set by default. You can optionally specify the profile photo. You can also set a storage quota if the corresponding setting is added in your Active Directory and enabled in the Storage Management section. Select the user type for all users. Turn on the Group Membership switcher if you want to add groups. In the Group DN field, specify the distinguished name of the directory you want to import groups from. Specify the user attribute, group filter, and group attribute values. In the Authentication section, enter the administrator login and password to access Active Directory. Click the Save button and confirm import. Wait while users and groups are imported. Now you can switch to the Contact section to check that the users and groups are imported. Update information about the imported users when you change some data in Active Directory. You can synchronize data manually by clicking the Sync Users button or use the Auto Sync switcher and set the necessary time to perform the automatic synchronization.